The ancient Gondwanan Rainforests are filled with a rich and unique diversity of life that gained this region its World Heritage status. These rainforests are unique and fragile and provide a home for a myriad of species that have been on this continent for tens of millions of years. Rainforests naturally expand and contract to environmental changes in deep time, but habitat loss, fragmentation and climate change outpace these natural processes and require intervention to help at-risk species and ecosystems adapt. This is where we, as conservation practitioners, step in. The New South Wales Government and community are working locally and regionally with the best available science to help threatened plant species establish in areas of climate refuge, giving them the best chance of surviving into the future.
And certainly what we're hoping to do is to preserve and conserve as many of those species as we can in safe places to make sure that we don't lose species and that they've got a future not only for us but our children and grandchildren into the future.
This is world leading. So these projects are the first of their kind, particularly within Australia. We're going to understand if they work, how well they work and what we can adjust from there. We're really excited about this assisted migration project and the collaborations that it has involved and what is happening on the ground so far.
That was another part of the modelling work done by state government, not only looking at where we're going to lose habitat and species, but where they might be able to survive into the future. And so this site here where we are in the Border Ranges is one of those future suitable sites, and it's what we call refugia. It's a refuge for species. So we try and bring them from their dispersed little isolated patches. We bring them all together in a nursery and get them healthy and happy. And then we bring them out to these refuge sites. And in the long term, we're hoping to be able to keep the species safe here, allow them to breed appropriately with other diverse members of their species. In the future, it'll be a place that they'll be able to come and collect individuals and take them back to their wild sites again.
It feels really great to be a part of this project. It's wonderful to be working with national parks, state governments, land care groups, and we're all working together to try and save these species. And without our help, they would definitely become extinct.
Climate change demands that we act quickly within the bounds of our knowledge, and that's exactly what we're doing here. And we're hopeful projects like this can give social licence to conservation and restoration practitioners to understand that these things done considerately are the way forward.